Hello everybody! Well, I was looking at our first lesson on perimeter and I think we need to just stop and go back to some of the first things because we had quite a lot of work handed in, which was good, and only a few people looking like they really understand what we're talking about. So we're just going to go back to the basics. I can work out the perimeter of shapes. And we're going to review, which means to view again, to look again, and revise perimeter. Nothing too complicated today. We're getting the basics right. Make sure you listen carefully. Now, here we have a question at the top. What shape does the red line make? Well, can you see the red line? There's a red line here, isn't there? It goes all the way around. It makes a rectangle. Okay, so the red line makes a rectangle. And that red line is the perimeter. The red line is the perimeter of the rectangle. That red line is what we call the perimeter of the rectangle. Now the next question, which is here, is how long is the red line? If we start counting in one corner and count all the way around and back to the start. I think that's what we have not been doing in today's lesson. I think we've been either losing track or maybe missing out some of the sides. So I'm going to show you what you do. Make a mark, like a little cross, on one of the corners. Okay, the perimeter is this line that goes all the way around, and we need to count up or work out how long that line is all the way around and back to the start. Not missing any of it out, not counting any of it twice. And each of these blue squares is 1 centimetre across and 1 centimetre up. So every square 1 centimetre across, 1 centimetre up. So look, what we really need to do here is just work out. Right, let's start here and we're going to go around. Well, that's 1 centimetre, 2 centimetres, 3 centimetres, 4 centimetres, 5 centimetres, 6 centimetres. Okay, that side is 6 centimetres. Now, going up here, I'm not going to draw the line, but I'm just going to mark each centimetre. That's 2 centimetres. So this side is another 2 centimetres. So far we've done 6, 7, 8, 9 centimetres, 10 centimetres, 11 centimetres, 12 centimetres, 13 centimetres, 14 centimetres, 15 centimetres, 16 centimetres. So how long is the red line? The red line is 16 centimetres long. Let's just count that again. We start in one corner. Remember we said start in one corner and just count around. How many squares is it across? Well, 6 across, 2 up. It's a rectangle, so it's another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Okay. So, what I'm saying, make a cross, go all the way around, don't miss any sides out, and then we know the red line is 16 centimetres long, so the perimeter of the rectangle is 16 centimetres. The perimeter of the rectangle is 16 centimetres. Some of us have just counted up all the sides, but not said all together how long is it. Now, we don't want to always have to count in ones. We want to be able to do the same thing, but we always, let's imagine, we're starting again here. Same shape. Well, let's just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. I can see it's a rectangle. It's another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, hold on. I've done something wrong. What have I done wrong? I'm going to miss something out if I'm not careful. I need to go along to this corner here and then go up. Otherwise I'm going to miss a side out. Well, another 1, 2, 2. Now I go up to this side. Some of us are missing a lot of sides out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2. We can work out the perimeter by adding up the lengths of all the sides. The rectangle has 4 sides. So there's 6 and 2. Yeah, 6, 2. And then another 6 and 2. We can add them up like this. So the rectangle has 4 sides. We add all the sides together to get the perimeter. Here we need to add 4 together. It's a rectangle. It has 4 sides. 6 and 2 is 8. And another 6 and 2 is another 8. So 16 centimetres. The perimeter of the rectangle is 16 centimetres. Okay. What is the perimeter of this shape? What does that question mean? Well, the perimeter of the shape is this black line. It means how long, I've written it here, is the black line that goes all the way around the outside. Do you remember what I said we should do? Yes. Let's make a cross on one corner so we can count around. When we get back, counting every side as we go, we'll know to stop and add them all up. Okay, well, 1 centimetre, 2 centimetres, 3 centimetres, 4 centimetres, 5 centimetres. That side, from here to this corner, 5 centimetres. 1, 2, 3 centimetres here. 1, 2, 3. Then 3 centimetres. Down. Another 1, 2 here. Now, okay, so we've got these corners. Now getting back to this corner. Okay, well, don't forget this one, because from here to here is 1 centimetre. Okay, now I've got to count along to this corner. 1, 2, 3. Another 3 centimetres. Now this corner. And I've just got to count back to where I started. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 centimetres. Okay. Let's see. How long is each side? Well, I'm going to start here. 5 centimetres. What's the next thing I should add? Well, I'm going to go around. 3 centimetres. 5. I'll cross them off as I've counted them. 5, 3, 2, 5, add 3, add 2. Next one, add 1, add 3, add 4. So I'm crossing them out as I go, right? Just then add them up. 5 add 3 is 8. 8 add 2 is 10. 10 and 1 is 11. 11 and 3 is 14. 14 add 4 is 18. Let's write that down. The black line is the perimeter of the shape. The black line is 18 centimetres long, so the perimeter of the shape is 18 centimetres. Okay, we've just got a couple more examples to go. What's the perimeter of this shape? This shape's got orange lines all the way around the outside. The orange lines are the perimeter. What is the perimeter of this shape? Means how long are the orange lines? Okay, remember what we've said. Make a cross on one corner. Let's now count the size. 1 centimetre, 2 centimetres, 3 centimetres, 4 centimetres, 5 centimetres. 5 centimetres. 1 centimetre, 2 centimetres. Okay, now what's the next thing? Keep going around. Don't miss any out. Now I've got to do this side here. Another 1 centimetre, 2 centimetres. Don't forget this one going up here. Okay, that's 1 centimetre. Centimetre, and then 1, 2, 3, 3 centimetres. Have I finished? No, because I haven't got back to where I started. Don't miss this last one out. It's another 1 centimetre up. I've got to go 5 centimetres across, 2 centimetres down, 2 centimetres across, 1 centimetre up. These little ones are easy to forget if we're not careful. 3 centimetres across and 1 centimetre up. We're going to add up all the sides to find the perimeter. Okay, let's see. So I'll cross them out as I write them down. 5, add 2, add another 2, add 1, add 3, add 1. I'm going to add all of those up. I'm going to help myself. 2, add 2, add 2. Sorry, I'll do it. Actually, I'll keep it simple first. 5 add 2 is 7. 7 add 2 is 9. 9 add 1 is 10. 10 add 3 is 13. 13 add 1 is 14. So look, that orange line that we went around is the perimeter of the shape. It's purple now, but the orange line is 14 centimetres long. So the perimeter of the shape is all of that. Length, it's 14 centimetres. One more. What is the perimeter of this shape? Now I want you to stop and I want you to count around. You try this one. Before I do anything, you try this one. Let's see what number you came up with. I hope you had a go. Did you think to put a cross in one corner? Because I think some of us, as I said before, are getting confused about where we are, how many sides we're counting. Right, okay. Oh, hold on. This is a tricky one, isn't it? I put this one in. It's a tricky one. Hold on. Just going to rub my first mark out here, actually. Think about what we're doing. Okay. My pen going again. Okay. Look. Can you see? Something's going on here. I'm going to put a mark here, but I'm just going to notice that this is not a whole centimetre here. Okay. Right. Still, I'm going to work my way around. Starting with one corner, down to this corner. How far is it? 1, 2, 3. 3 centimetres. Now across to the next corner. 1, 1, 2. 2 centimetres. Now up to the next corner. 1, 2 centimetres. Now this is interesting. I've got to get across to here. It's 1, 2 centimetres. This is not a whole centimetre, it's half a centimetre. 2 and a half centimetres. But this is 1 centimetre. Look, the line tells us it's 1 centimetre from here to here. So that's another 1 centimetre. And then coming back, look, half a centimetre here. 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, 4.5 centimetres, and I'm back to where I started. Okay, we're going to add it all up. 3 cents start here, cross them out as we go. Okay, hold on. Okay, well I've disappeared from the screen, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to go around, we're going to add up all the sides. So do you remember we crossed this one out, 3 centimetres, add 2 centimetres. I've got to add up all the sides to find the perimeter. Cross this one out, 2 centimetres. Here's 2.5, add 2.5, add 1, add 4.5 centimetres. I'm going to add up all the holes first. 3 add 2 is 5. 5 add 2 is 7. 7 add 2 is 9. 9 add 10 is 1. 10 add 4 is 14. Ooh, hold on. Don't forget there are 2 halves. These 2 halves. Half add a half is 1. So actually it's 14 add 1. Don't forget those halves. Some must have been forgetting the halves. So the green line is the perimeter of the shape. The green line is 15 centimetres long. So the perimeter of the shape is 15 centimetres. And for your work today, I have tried to keep it quite short and quite simple. I have 4 questions with missing words, and then just 5 questions to have a go at. Please do what I suggest to you, which is to make a cross in the corner and give it a go. Okay? Right. Give it a go, everyone. Any questions, make sure you send us your questions. We want to help you with this. See you later, guys. Bye.